Today we are back in Palm Coast, Florida. I'm at the Hammock at Palm Harbor. This is a great townhome community that's brand new construction by Dreamfinders Homes. What's so cool about this? Number one is the location. We are only 6 minutes by car from the Atlantic Ocean. So if you want to be at the beach, 6 minutes away. We are on the west side of the Intracoastal waterway, so we're nowhere near any flood zones or anything like that. So this is a, rated X, so that's the lowest flood zone rating. This is a gated community. We are 5 minutes walk from a marina. I'm going to put up some drone footage so you can see that for yourself, because seeing is believing, like I always say. We're 5 minutes walk from the European Village, so they have boutique shops as well as great dining there. I'm going to take you on a walkthrough of 2 of their model townhomes. The 1-story one there on the end, that is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom with a 1-car garage. The interior units are going to be 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms with a 2-car garage, and the primary suite, the owner suite, is on the 1st floor. So that's pretty huge, right? So stick around because we're getting after it right now. So before we get rolling on the walkthrough of the Mangrove 1-story townhome, I want to make sure you're aware of this. The Homeowners Association in this community covers all of the exterior maintenance. I mean everything. Pressure washing, painting, even the roof. No yard maintenance. All of that's included. And again, remember, if you own a yacht, boat, sailboat, whatever, what have you, and you want to have it close to a marina, you can literally walk there directly from this place. I know, because I just did it. All right, let's get on with the walkthrough. Again, this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1-story with a 1-car garage, and it's 1,181 square feet. And these are available as quick move-ins, and these are in the mid to upper 300,000s. Let's go. All right, there's your 1-car garage. And what's cool, as you can see, is that these are fully finished, painted. There's no raw sheetrock in there. You have baseboards. You have a garage door opener. Pretty nice, right? And these all have hardy board lap siding on them and full gutters. And we're going to take a look inside. Beautiful front door here. This one has a luxury vinyl plank in the main living areas, and I have seen some that have plank tile as well. Anyway, we just walked in the front. There's the entryway. And to our left, this will be bedroom number 1. And they have this set up as an office. Already got the ceiling fan installed. They got the nice shiplap going on. And working our way to the left. This will be the entrance out from the garage. You have a full bathroom here with tiled floors, quartz counters, with a tub shower combination. This is bedroom number 2. Moving forward, you get a nice look at the main living area now, and they have a tray ceiling there over the family room. The kitchen is here to our left. They have nice white shaker cabinets. And this is the entrance from the garage, folks. Stand corrected. This will be your pantry. Nice set of wall ovens there. Nice fully vented hood with nice solid surface cooktop. Got under mount deep sink. I don't know why I'm having trouble saying that. Here's your air handler, HVAC. They've got nice shiplap here in this area. Beautiful. There's your back patio with a nice sliding glass door. Getting another look at the main living area. And here we are at the primary bedroom, which has a tray ceiling. And they have a king-size bed in here. Sinks here in the primary bathroom. Very nice transom window. And a real nice frameless walk-in shower with tile all the way up to the ceiling. And there's your water closet. So what did you think about that footage of the marina as well as the European village? I'd say it's pretty cool. It's pretty nice to live close to something like that and also be 6 minutes from the beach. All right, moving on. We are gonna check out this Sago model. This is a 2-story interior townhome. It's 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, 1,853 square feet, and of course it has a 2-car garage. Let's check it out. Okay, so you would not have 2 doors, you would have a regular 2-car garage like this neighboring unit has right over here. If this was your home, because these are currently being used as offices for the sales staff. See, this has a very nice front porch, front patio here area. They have a nice seated area here, bench. So everything's over here will stay nice and dry, out of the weather. To my right would be the entrance in from the garage. And this home has as well a luxury vinyl plank in the main living areas. It's going to have carpet in the bedrooms. Get a good look at the kitchen here. They have this set up for dining. Very nice shaker cabinets again. Nice set of wall ovens. They have tiled backsplash. That'll be your stairway up stairs. You have a nice pocket door here for your pantry. Looking back at the entryway. Here we have the main living area. Covered back porch, back patio. And remember folks, you never have to hire anybody or push a lawnmower over here, because your HOA takes care of that. Irrigation too. All right, we're at the primary bedroom, which is on the first floor. Primary bathroom. They have dual sinks. Very nice frameless walk-in shower with tile up to the ceilings. And a walk-in closet. And I will meet you at the stairs. Okay, there's the stairway up with carpet on the treads. It's got hardwood railings and wrought iron spindles. Very nice touch and very nice windows, giving you lots of natural light. Here we have this beautiful landing at the top of the stairs on the right, and a tray ceiling. And we make a turn to the left here. And we have a full bathroom with dual sinks, tiled floors, and a tub shower combination. Here we have the laundry room with tiled floor, and in the one-story unit they have a stacking set. So you have a stacking washer and dryer on the first floor of the one-story unit. There's your air handler. Nice linen closet. This will be bedroom number 2. And you can see this is a very nice sized bedroom. Got the ceiling fan in here. And next door we have bedroom number 3. That's looking out on your backyard. I hope you enjoyed this tour of the Hammock at Palm Harbor. You can see from that drone footage that I just showed you, this is literally a gated community with one street that ends in a cul-de-sac, and that's it. There's going to be no other phases to this community. When they're sold out in here, they're sold out, and that's it. If you have any questions, reach out to me. I'm going to put my phone number and email address up on the screen. I'll be the one that reaches back out to you. And whether you're moving in 9 days or 9 months, reach out to me. I'm always happy to help you make a smooth move to Jacksonville. And until next time, I hope to see you around Jax.